First step, prepare your mobile phone. The second step, install today's free apps. And the third and last step, get paid. Now, the more apps that you're able to install on your phone, the more money that you can make. If you watch today's video completely and use all of the apps that we're about to show you together, you could be making $400 every single day in total from all apps. Today's method is again available worldwide because we don't like leaving anyone behind. Another great thing to add would be that you can cash out your earnings from these apps through different methods. From PayPal to bank transfer, you name it, these apps have it. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now, the first app on our list for today is called Successbox, and to get to this wonderful website, you can just type in successbox.com. Now, for this website, they pay you right away in cold hard cash, no points, no rewards, but real cold hard cash. This website has been around since 2012, and if that doesn't reassure you that this website is indeed legit, then we don't know what will. Anyway, as you can see, this website is very transparent to all of their current users and to those who are aspiring to join this website. You'll see all of the members of this website cashing out every single day from as little as $1 to as much as $50, which is just absolutely amazing. Don't you want that too? Now, the steps to making this website work is that first, you need to register an account for free. Then, you're going to watch advertisements or perform tasks or surveys. And finally, you're going to be able to withdraw your earned money. Now, as you can see on here, as well as there are over 300,000 registered members, there are over $20,000 cash earned by their members and over 43 million ads served, and this website has had over 246 million visits. Now, those are huge members, and all we can say is wow. Now, your earnings on here are limitless. You can view ads, fill surveys, participate in contests, redeem offers, listen, refer people, and do other different tasks. Now, to sign up, just click on sign up right here and then enter your full name, your password, your username, and your email address, and then boom, hit unregister, and just like that, you can start doing all that you can on this website and earn as much as $50 in a day. So make sure you try our first website out because this is great. Our second website is called Winrgames, and to get to their website, just type in winrgames.com and that should take you to here. Now, on this website is where you can obviously win cash while playing free games. You can download this app on both your iOS and your Android devices, so there's no problem there at all. You play, choose one of the many different games in big time and collect tons of tickets. You earn. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes, and you win. When the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner is drawn. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. As you can see, there are many different games that you can choose from, and not only a few, and that's what we especially love about this website. since you can choose freely. It's just like you're the one in control of your luck and such. So we think that this is pretty awesome about this website. The more you scroll down, you'll see the winners, and these people earn up to thousands of dollars, which is just absolutely insane. So to get started, download the app, sign up, start playing, and then start winning. So make sure that you try this website out. Third, last, and our favorite app is called squishycash.com. As you can see, what is Squishy Cash? Squishy Cash works with advertisers to pay you for signing up for free sites, completing offers, taking surveys, trying products, and shopping online. When you complete an action on an advertiser's website from Squishy Cash, you are notified by the advertiser regarding the completion, and in turn, we credit your account. Our advertisers pay us for your actions, and we split the profits with you. You receive next day payments and prizes. You earn $1 per active referral. So that one referral must complete one offer and 25% of their cash and chips earnings. Earn even more cash by participating in our daily, weekly, and monthly contests. Now look at all of the payment proof right here, and trust us, there is so much more where this came from, so it's important that you do not let this opportunity pass you by, because it is yet another great one. You can basically do offers on here. Membership is always 100% free. You get paid to fill out free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free sites, free trials, and earn cash back for online shopping. You can also refer friends, earn passive income with our awesome referral system. You can also earn from those referrals 25% of their cash offerings plus $1 per active referral. So you're already earning commission from their earnings, plus you're getting something on top of that because they are active. Then you can get paid payments, gift cards, prizes, and these are all sent the next day without any fees. So earn even more when you participate in their daily and monthly contests. Your earnings will really start to add up. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now another great thing, you can pay out through all of these payment methods, which is just great because at least you have your options. And those are basically all three of them. And let's do a little short recap. So the first one is called Successbox.com, and you can do a lot of things here, different tasks. You can do surveys, watch ads, which you are to focus on because that's how you can earn most money. Next we have Winrgames, and this is where you play games and you earn. And then we have Squishy Cash, and here is where you can also do a ton of different things that you can make money from. So make sure you try all three of the websites, the apps, to know if they work, and if they work, amazing, just like we said so. And that is basically it.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.